So itutuloy ko lang kasi masyado nang mahaba yung isang video. So nandito na tayo sa mass. So compute lang natin. 53.34 times 560 Rankine over 13.75 times 6. The mass is 362.06, but we have to convert first the 13.75 into the feet, because it's PSI in PSI. So we have to convert this. We have to times. Oh, mali yung pagkakaderive ko. Mali ito. So this actually is M is equals to P1 B1 over R T1. M is equals to pressure 1, which is 13.75. We convert this into pound per square feet, so we times by 144. The volume is 6 cubic feet. Then the R of the air is 53.34, and the temperature one is actually 570 Rankine. Then we get the mass. We now have the mass of 0.3977. 0.3977, of course, pound mass. Then we compute for the CV specific heat. CV is actually the R over K minus 1, 53.34 over 1.34 minus 1. The CV 156.88. Then we just have to substitute this mass and CV into this first equation. Our mass is 0.3977 pound mass. Our CV is 156.88. Then we have the unknown minus our T2. Our T2 is 967.92 degrees Rankine. We have to convert this 342 heat addition into feet pound. So we just we multiply it by 778. I-divide na lang natin dito. 778. So T3, we just calculate the temperature 3, which is The answer is 5,207 degrees Rankine. 5,207.62 degrees Rankine. So we now have the temperature before the expansion. We will find for the pressure before the expansion, which is the P3. So to find the pressure 3, we have this formula. P3 over P2 is equals to T3 over T. Then we just have to substitute the variables. P3 equals to P2 T3 over T2. Our pressure 2 is 118.83. Our temperature 3 is 5,207.62, and our temperature 2 is 967.92. We compute it again. Our P3 is 639.33. Pressure 3. PSI. So the next unknown is the efficiency. For the efficiency, here is the equation. 1 minus 1 over K minus 1. This is a derived equation. Hindi ko na siya dinerive kasi masyado ding mahaba, time consuming. So substitute na lang natin 1 minus 1 all over RK, which is 5. 1.34 minus 1. Then compute natin 1 minus 1 over 5. 1.34 minus 1. 42, 0.4214. 0.4214. Convert this into percentage. We have 42.14% efficiency. So for the next unknown, we have the mean effective pressure. How do we get the mean effective pressure? So mean effective pressure is actually the work net over the Q addition. We don't have this, but we will find work net is actually equal to the efficiency times the heat added. We have the efficiency, which is this 42.14. We have to bring it back to decimal form. 0.4214 times the heat added, which is 340 BTU. Compute 0.4214 times 340 BTU. Then we have 143.276. 143.276 work net. We can now solve for the mean effective pressure, which is this formula, the work net over QI. The work net is 143.276 over the heat added, which is 340 BTU. So compute 143.276 over 340. Oh, I'm sorry, I got confused. This is not Q added, this is the volume 1 minus volume 2. I got confused. So we have to find the volume 2 because it's not given. So volume 2 is actually V1 times RK. Our V1 is 6 feet times the RK is 5. We have 30. Then we go back to getting the mean effective pressure, which is this.